Have you refilled your HP ink cartridge but it's not printing in color? This usually happens when the printhead nozzles get clogged or the ink dries up, blocking the flow. In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step methods to clean the nozzle and get your printer working again. Just follow along carefully and you should be back to printing in no time. And if you need more help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Turn off your printer. Unplug the power cable from the back. Carefully open the front cover and the ink cartridge access door. Move the carriage to the center and press down the blue latch. Gently press down on the color cartridge to release it, then remove it. Gather your warm water, tissues, and a syringe. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. For more HP printer tutorials, drop your questions in the comments. Fill the syringe with warm water. Slowly inject the warm water in the nozzle using the syringe. Note: keep the printhead over the tissue to prevent any spills. Repeat the same process for all the nozzles. Before placing it back, make sure the printhead is completely dry on the outside. Reinstall everything. Your printer should now print in color again. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.